All right, so my name's Amy. I've seen a lot of videos of completely able people opening the accessible Xbox controller packaging. So I've figured that I will open it and see how it goes. First off, I am utterly shocked to see that they actually, like, I was joking that they probably put the accessible controllers accessible packaging into a completely inaccessible box, but nope, they got a little pull tab right here. So that was actually kind of shocking. So I do have a lot of trouble with packaging. I usually hack it apart with a box cutter, or it usually doesn't end pretty. So I'm kind of excited. Got manual? No. Warnings. Who cares about those? There, that was easy. I'll just throw everything on the floor. So yeah, let's figure this out. Do I pull this? Alright, so I got another one of these things. Oh. Oh geez. Okay, that was easy enough that it did it itself. So here's the controller. I'm gonna have to make a bunch of little... Oh, it has mounting points. I really only want these because I'm gonna step on them. But what I got in here for goodies? Oh, it's USB-C. That's cool. Yeah, there is a manual. I mean, I'm not reading that. All right, that was pretty good. So overall, 10 out of 10. I've never opened a package so easily, of electronics at least. There isn't even any like crazy plastic I have to go running for a knife for. So cool, good job, Microsoft.